Good morning, students. Today we will learn in your Maths Magic book NCERT Chapter 4 Parts and Whole in page number 58. Okay. So let's start now. Ramu's vegetable field. Okay. Open your book. Let's start.
Hello students. Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetable does he grow? So he is Ramu and he is growing in his plant this 9 equal parts vegetable he grew. Okay. So the question is that which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? So how much total part are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total parts is 9. So the total part of vegetable is 9. Okay. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? तो इन्होंने ये इक्वल सारी की सारी जो वेजिटेबल के पार्ट्स हैं हैज 9 इक्वल पार्ट. ये टोटल 9 इक्वल पार्ट्स है ये. ओके इक्वल है. So they are asking a question, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? What part? So the total part of this, there are they are chilies. So chilies 1 part. Okay. Potato 2 parts. Brinjal 2 parts. 2/9, right? And potatoes are 2/9. And tomato 1, 2, 3. 3/9 parts, na? We can write it here. Chilies part are, ये सिर्फ एक ही पार्ट में है ना, और कहीं नहीं दिख रही. सो 1/, टोटल ये 9 है. सो 1/9 पार्ट. पोटेटोज 1 and 2, 2/9 parts. Okay. And brinjal, what is the part of brinjal is there? Is 1, 2, 2/9. And tomato, what is the part of tomato in here? 1, 2, 3, 3/9. Okay. And what is this? Spinach, what is the part of spinach here? 1/9. Okay. So there are the part of vegetables. Look. Okay. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? So what is the biggest part in here? Tomatoes, na? So tomato is the vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field. On what part of the field does he grows potatoes? So they are asking you, on what part of the field does he grow potatoes? 2/9. Okay. Third question is, what part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjals? So what part of the field is used to grow spinach? 1/9 part. 1/9 part field he used to grow spinach. Okay. What part is used for brinjal? So 2/9 part he used to grow brinjals. Okay. Now you write some questions while looking at this picture. So if you have any question, any doubt about this picture, you can questions about your query about any of this. Okay. So you can write the question here. Okay. The questions, and you can also अगर आपको उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पता हो तो आप वो भी यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं क्यूरी में. ओके. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. रीड दिस एंड ट्राई टू क्लियर दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके. बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट्स.
Here your all questions answer are here. I am writing here. You can do it in your copy also. Okay.